Alright, today I'm going to show you a quick life hack on making your throttle a little bit snappier and more responsive on your 25-year-old to 30-year-old Miata. So I got me a cable luber here, typically used on motorcycles, ATVs, or anything with a twist throttle setup. But this actually works for our cars because we use a throttle cable. Yeah, we step on the pedal, but it still pulls through a throttle cable. So I'll show you my throttle cable setup here. This is my OEM cable, basically same thing as what you have. If you don't have a Miata, this is the same thing that you could do on any other car. So you basically use this Luber, this guy, you attach it to the tip right here, and you inject lube throughout the whole tube assembly. And that basically makes it slicker. You're basically oiling up the sheath, right? The tubing that the stainless steel cable rides through. So I'll show you how that's done, and hopefully it makes a difference for your car. All right, quick unboxing of what the heck this thing is. So we just open this up. Go. Get our adapter and our lube. And that's basically what's in here. So this is our lube. Could be any lube, to be honest. Could just be a light silicone type lube. Any lube will work. Needs to have this little straw. You don't want to use WD-40 for this stuff because it's just not for this application. So light lubing will work. And then over here, this is the most important part right here. This is the cable lube adapter. And what this does is it basically slides on through your stock throttle cable right here, and you clamp it on. See that? So you pull your throttle cable through here, and then you clamp this on like so, and it basically seals the throttle cable. And right here there's a hole, I'm not sure if you can see that, and that's where you insert the straw for the lube, and it basically forces lube straight down your tube, and it makes it slicker. So I'll show you how this works right now. So under the dash you can see your accelerator pedal or gas pedal, whatever you want to call it. See that? And over there, that green fitting way back there, you can see it come in and out. See that? That's where your accelerator or gas cable is attached to, and that's what we want to lube. So on this side you're gonna put a rag so you don't ooze lube all over the carpet. So we're gonna stick a rag in there, and on the other side in the engine bay we're gonna use the cable luber and pump in lube through this thing, and it should get way more snappy than this after we're done. Alright, so first step, we're gonna undo the throttle cable bracket. Now if you have a fancy manifold, make sure you don't scratch up your manifold. So I'm gonna hold one 12 mil as I undo the other one. Pretty tight. Okay, there you go. I don't think it needs much really. Let's give it a little bit more. Okay, there you go. See that? I can easily undo this side. Slide it off. Here's how it looks removed. Slide the nuts all the way back so you have enough space right here for the adapter. Then we slide the adapter in like so. There you go. Make sure you have it halfway into it. Don't go past the hole right here because this is the filler hole, so just make sure it's in there pretty good. Not too far, but not all the way back. So right now it's about right here in the middle, so we're good. Now we're gonna tighten these guys. This basically clamps it down so it seals onto the adapter. Make sure you go back and forth so you don't kink it. So left, right, left, right, left, right. Make sure it's tight. Right, so when you're ready to pump the lube in, make sure you grip the whole thing and cover it so you don't spray lube everywhere. And you just basically listen for it because it'll go through the whole system. And then you go back inside the car and then check if it's bled through. Okay, let's do this. See that? It's already coming out. So there's going to be a good amount of waste. That's just normal because you have to force this stuff all the way through, and it's not 100% sealed, so you're going to have some waste. It's okay. Okay, now I'm going to check inside the car. Back under the dash here, you can see the lube coming out, and that's what you want. You don't want too little and you don't want too much coming out. If you have too much, you just wipe it down, but you want to make sure that it comes out on this side, because if it doesn't come through this side, that means you're not going all the way through the tube. Super snappy, and that's what you want. Before, it was a little bit slower. Not crazy slow, but now it's like crazy snappy, and that's what you want. Boom, life hack.